Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about a very special person in my life. She is the person who loves me the most and always cares for me. She is my mother. A mother is one of the greatest gifts in our lives. Her love, care, and support make our lives better and happier. Now, let me tell you about my mother. My mother is the most important person in my life. She is kind, loving, and hardworking. She takes care of our family and always makes sure that everyone is happy. She wakes up early in the morning and starts her work before anyone else. She prepares food for us and helps us in many ways. My mother always teaches me good habits and good manners. She tells me to be honest, respectful, and hardworking. Whenever I face any problem, she helps me and gives me the right advice. Her words always motivate me to do better in life. My mother loves me unconditionally. She supports me in every situation. When I am happy, she smiles with me. When I am sad, she encourages me and gives me strength. She always believes in me and inspires me to achieve my goals. She works hard every day for our family. Even when she is tired, she never complains. She always puts the needs of her family before her own. Her sacrifice and dedication teach me the true meaning of love and responsibility. My mother is also my first teacher. She taught me how to speak, walk, and behave properly. Everything I have learned in my early life come from her guidance. I am thankful for all the lessons she has taught me. I enjoy spending time with my mother. She tells me interesting stories and shares her experiences with me. I learn many valuable things from her every day. Her presence makes me feel safe and happy. I feel very lucky to have such a wonderful mother. She is my role model and my biggest supporter. I always want to make her proud through my actions and achievements. In conclusion, my mother is the most precious person in my life. Her love, care, and sacrifice are priceless. I respect her from the bottom of my heart and I'm grateful for everything she does for me. I love my mother very much and I will always be thankful to her. Thank you.